Let's learn about insects and bugs. That's right! From fluttering butterflies to busy bees. From glowing fireflies to tricky termites. Insects come in all shapes and sizes. Ready to explore this buzzing world? Let's go! This is a butterfly.
Yay!
Butterflies are colorful flyers with soft wings. They flutter from flower to flower, sipping nectar.
Say hello to a ladybug.
Yay!
Ladybugs are tiny and round with red shells and black spots. They love to eat garden pests.
Here comes a honeybee.
Yay!
Honeybees are busy workers making honey. They live in hives and love flowers.
Look, it's a dragonfly.
Yay!
Dragonflies zoom quickly near water. Their wings shine like glass in the sun.
Meet the ant.
Yay!
Ants are tiny team players. They build tunnels and carry food much bigger than themselves.
Here's a beetle.
Yay!
Beetles come in many shapes and colors. Some are strong, some are shiny, and all are tough.
This is a mosquito.
Yay!
Mosquitoes are tiny flyers with long mouths. They love buzzing around at night.
Say hi to a housefly.
Yay!
Houseflies zoom around kitchens and homes. They are fast and hard to catch.
Look at the wasp.
Yay!
Wasps are striped and stingy. They build papery nests high in trees.
Here comes a moth.
Yay!
Moths are nighttime cousins of butterflies. They are soft and often fly toward lights.
This is a cicada.
Yay!
Cicadas sing loudly in the summer. Their buzzing sound fills the air in warm places.
Say hello to a termite.
Yay!
Termites are tiny but mighty. They chew on wood and live in big colonies.
Here's a firefly.
Yay!
Fireflies glow in the dark. Their tiny lights twinkle like stars in the grass.
This is a cricket.
Yay!
Crickets chirp sweet songs at night. They rub their wings to make music.
Look, it's a hornet.
Yay!
Hornets are bigger wasps. They are strong flyers and can be quite scary.
Here comes a grasshopper.
Yay!
Grasshoppers hop high with strong back legs. They munch on grass and leaves.
Say hi to the kissing bug.
Yay!
Kissing bugs get their name from biting near faces. They are sneaky little insects.
This is a booklouse.
Yay!
Booklice are tiny bugs found near books and paper. They love damp, cozy spots.
Here comes lice.
Yay!
Lice are small insects that live on hair. They are famous for being itchy.
Look at the botfly.
Yay!
Botflies are unusual bugs. Their babies grow under animal skin.
Here's a horsefly.
Yay!
Horseflies are strong biters. They buzz around fields near horses and cattle.
Say hello to a blackfly.
Yay!
Blackflies are tiny biters too. They love to fly in swarms near rivers.
This is a sandfly.
Yay!
Sandflies live in sandy places. Their bites are tiny but itchy.
Look, it's a gnat.
Yay!
Gnats are very small and fly in clouds. They love damp air and wet soil.
Here comes a midge.
Yay!
Midges are tiny insects that buzz near water. Some bite, but many are harmless.
Say hi to a leafhopper.
Yay!
Leafhoppers hop quickly on leaves. They drink juice from plants.
This is an aphid.
Yay!
Aphids are tiny and soft. They hide under leaves and sip plant sap.
Here comes a stick insect.
Yay!
Stick insects look like twigs. They hide in plain sight by blending with plants.
Look, it's a praying mantis.
Yay!
Praying mantises stand tall with folded arms. They are clever hunters of other bugs.
Say hello to a bedbug.
Yay!
Bedbugs are tiny and flat. They hide in beds and come out at night.
Here comes a flea.
Yay!
Fleas are jumpy insects. They love to hop onto pets and drink blood.
This is a cockroach.
Yay!
Cockroaches are tough survivors. They scuttle quickly into dark corners.
Say hi to an earwig.
Yay!
Earwigs have pincer tails. They look scary but are mostly harmless.
Here comes a silverfish.
Yay!
Silverfish are shiny, slippery bugs. They run fast and love paper and books.
Great job, little explorers! We met so many buzzing, crawling, and flying insects today. Keep looking closely, keep learning, and stay curious about the tiny world around you.